How can I recover my deleted Line account?
Hello viewers. We're here today to talk about how to recover a deleted Line account. Losing access to your Line account can be frustrating, especially when it contains important chats and contacts. No worries. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to recover your account.
Understanding the basics.
First off, it's important to note that Line doesn't provide a way to directly recover a deleted account. When you delete a Line account, all data such as friends, chat history, and registered information is permanently deleted and cannot be restored. Therefore, prevention is key. It's best to back up your chat history and contacts regularly to avoid any loss.
What if I've not permanently deleted my account?
If you've merely deactivated your account, you might still be able to log back in. 1. Open the Line app on your device. 2. Enter your email address and password to log in. 3. Verify your account by following the prompts you receive. 4. If successful, your account will be restored along with all your contacts and chat history.
How about restoring chats?
If you had a backup of your chats, you could restore them. Follow these steps. 1. Install the Line app on your device. 2. Log in using your credentials. 3. Verify your account as needed. 4. Go to the Settings menu, then select Chats. 5. From there, select Import Chat History. 6. If you have a backup of your chats, they should now be restored. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to potentially recover your Line account. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. Regular backups of your chats and contacts are the best way to avoid losing important data. Stay connected and stay safe.